Hello friends! Look who's here! It's Gizmo the little blue robot. Gizmo waves hello to you. He lives in a bright, colorful workshop full of amazing things. Today, Gizmo wants to show you something really cool: simple machines. Simple machines help us do things easier. Let's learn together. First, Gizmo finds a ramp. A ramp is a flat surface that goes up, like a slide. Look, Gizmo has a heavy red ball at the bottom of a hill. Oh no! The ball is too heavy to lift straight up. But wait, Gizmo puts a ramp next to the hill. Now he rolls the red ball up the ramp. The ball goes up so easily. A ramp makes it easier to move things up high. You see ramps everywhere, at the playground, at the store. Gizmo is so happy he did it. Now Gizmo finds something new. It's a lever. A lever is like a seesaw. Look, there's a long yellow board sitting on top of a triangle block. Gizmo puts a big purple box on one end. Then he pushes down on the other end. Boing! The purple box flies up into the air. A lever helps us lift heavy things. Gizmo claps his little robot hands. Wasn't that amazing? A lever is so helpful. Gizmo jumps up and down with excitement. What will he find next? Let's keep going. Gizmo is so excited. He runs over to the next part of his workshop. And look what he finds. Wheels. Wheels are round and they roll. Gizmo sees a big green box on the ground. He tries to push it. It's so hard to push without wheels. The box barely moves. But then, Gizmo puts 4 round orange wheels underneath the green box. Now he pushes again. Zoom! The box rolls so easily across the floor. Wheels make it easier to move things. You see wheels on cars, on bikes, on wagons. Gizmo spins around happily. Now let's remember what we learned today. Gizmo holds up one finger. Number 1. A ramp. The ramp appears and the red ball rolls up it again. Ramps help us move things up. Gizmo holds up 2 fingers. Number 2. A lever. The yellow seesaw board pops up and launches the purple box. Levers help us lift things. Gizmo holds up 3 fingers. Number 3. Wheels. The orange wheels spin around. Wheels help us move things easily. Gizmo is so proud of you for learning about simple machines today. He dances around his workshop doing a silly robot dance. Great job, friends! You are so smart. Gizmo waves goodbye with both hands. See you next time on Fun Kids World. Bye-bye, friends! Gizmo blows a big sparkly kiss and the screen fills with colorful stars and confetti. Bye-bye!